This is Abhishek Sharma. My internship this Spark Foundation. Task 3. Perform exploratory data analysis on dataset sample superstone. First of all the important libraries required for dataset. Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn and Matplotlib. And loading the dataset. And check the first 5 rows of the dataset like SIM-mod, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, subcategory, sales, quantitative, discount, profit. And last 5 rows of the dataset and check the shape df.shape and describe your summary. Information about the dataset df.info and check the null value of your dataset and name of all the columns ship mode segment country city state postal code region category subcategories sales quantitative discount profit and check the duplicate values of your dataset. The duplicate value are 17 and unique df.unique. Postal code are the integer type, but object type, but it converted into the object type, and drop the duplicate values and correlation of your dataset and dropping postal code column. Pay a plot of the ship mode and ship mode value counts standard class, second class, first class, same day, and SNN count plot ship mode. Value accounts for segment, plotting pair plot, and count plot of the segment, and value counting for category, and count plot of the category and pair plot of the category. Value count for subcategory plot by maximum are from binders, paper, furnishing, fonts, storage, art, accessories, and minimum from copies, machine supplies. Check the value count for state and count plot of the state. Highest number of buyers are from California and New York. Most customers tend to buy quantitative of 2 or 3. Discount give maximum is 0 20%. Figure of region dot value counts percentage south region 16.2%, central region 23.2%, eastern region 28.5%, and western region 32.0%. And scatter plot of the sales and profit. Line plot of discount and profit. No correlation between the profit and discount. Line plot of quantitative and profit. Group by the segment and profit and sales. Profit and sales are maximum in consumer segment and minimum in home office segment. Bar plot of X region and Y sales. Segment Y sale are almost same every region. Group by region and profit sales. Profit and sales are maximum in a western region, minimum in a southern region. Plot bar pink, blue and group by state and sales profit. Highest profit for California and New York. Loss is for Texas and Ohio. Check count the value of the state. Group by category and profit sale. As a business manager, try to find out the weak area where you can work to make a more profit. Technology and office supplies have high profit. Furniture have less profit. Plot bar and group by the subcategory and sales profit. Phone subcategory have high sales. Chairs have a high sale but less profit as compared to phone. Tables and bookmark subcategory facing huge loss. Thank you for my second task.